Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, October 28, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, October 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong October 28, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, October 28, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 28, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, October 28, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.